Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll upgrade ManageEngine Endpoint Central using a hotfix service pack. Enter your admin credentials and click Sign In to log into the console. The home dashboard loads. Version details shows your current build. The blue banner confirms a new hotfix is available. The Getting Started page shows initial setup steps. Notice the notification confirming a new hotfix is available. Click Download now to go to the Build Upgrades page. This is the ManageEngine Build Upgrades page. Your current build number is already filled in. The upgrade path shows the target build. Click the download button to get the ppm hotfix file. You can also check the release notes and verify the checksum. Before continuing with the ppm upgrade, open services.msc and stop the ManageEngine Endpoint Central server service. Once the service is fully stopped, continue with the next step of the upgrade process. Now switch to File Local Disk C drive. We need to find the Endpoint Central Server installation directory. Open Program Files where Endpoint Central is installed by default. Look for the folder named uems-central server. That's the server installation directory we need. Inside uems-central server, you'll find all server components, bin, conf, logs, patch, web apps, and pgsql. Navigate into the bin folder, which contains server management utilities including the Update Manager. The bin folder has batch scripts and tools for server management. Search for Update Manager.bat. This is the utility to apply the downloaded hotfix. The Update Manager open. Click Browse to locate the downloaded ppm hotfix file. Navigate to the Downloads folder where the hotfix was saved. In the Downloads folder, find and select the ppm hotfix file. Click Open to load it into the Update Manager. With the hotfix loaded, click Install to begin the upgrade. The Update Manager validates the patch, checking product readiness and compatibility. Do not interrupt this process. After validation, the installation wizard launches. It confirms the installation path and begins the pre-invocation phase. This handles prerequisite checks and dependency validations before file changes begin. Do not kill this process. If interrupted, the server may not start. The pre-invocation phase continues as progress increases. A warning reminds you not to interrupt the process. Be patient and let the installer complete each phase fully. The installer now backs up files that will be modified during the upgrade. This preserves your current configuration and data in case a rollback is needed. The time depends on your environment size. Now the applying file changes phase begins. Server binaries, configuration files, and web application resources are updated to the new build version. The upgrade enters the post-invocation phase, applying database level changes. The schema is updated to match the new build. This is critical. Allow it to complete fully. We're nearing completion. Final post-invocation tasks are wrapping up, including remaining database changes and cleanup operations. The upgrade is complete. The installation wizard confirms the service pack was installed successfully. Your server is now on the latest build. Back on the dashboard, the version details panel shows the updated build with a green checkmark confirming the server is up to date. Your ManageEngine Endpoint Central server has been successfully upgraded.